a few things that you need to do to get your kayak ready for floating season. First, wash your kayak all the way around with soap and water. You should do this a few times a year. However, it is likely that if this thing has been sitting all winter long, it may need a thorough cleaning. Make sure to use a soap with no scent if you can, as scents will draw in insects. Next, we're going to inspect the hull. The biggest issue most people have with their kayaks is cracks or holes in the hull. Whether it gets drug or just sits too long in one place and creates flat spots, you want to make sure neither of these are true. If you do have a crack in it, it needs to be repaired because floating in a boat with a hole isn't called floating, it's called sinking. And last, get comfy. Hop in your boat and make sure your seat is adjusted. Make sure you don't need a new seat due to wear, and see if there are any upgrades you want to do before season, like cup holders or mount a portable speaker or GoPro. All right, guys, so what do you all do to get your kayak ready for season? Let us know in the comments, then check out Red Amanda Mertz's YouTube channel and hit subscribe. From the river, I'm Amanda Mertz.